Choosing the right air pistol can be overwhelming with so many options on the market. You might end up with a model that lacks power or accuracy, leading to a frustrating shooting experience. In today's video, we're comparing 5 top-rated air pistols that not only deliver performance, but also cater to different shooting styles and preferences. Stick around because our number one pick might surprise you. It's not just about the price, but the experience it offers. Daisy Powerline 415 Air Pistol. The Daisy Powerline 415 Air Pistol is an exceptional choice for beginners and casual shooters who are looking for a reliable and affordable option. This CO2-powered pistol offers semi-automatic firing, making it enjoyable and easy to use for target practice. With a velocity of up to 400 feet per second, it provides decent accuracy for short-range shooting. Perfect for backyard fun or recreational target practice. One notable feature is its 15-round magazine, allowing for quick follow-up shots without the need for constant reloading. However, it might not have the same level of durability or performance under intense use compared to higher-end models. Crosman P1322, American Classic Variable Pump, .22 caliber. For those who prefer a versatile option, the Crosman P1322 American Classic is a fantastic choice. This air pistol features a variable pump mechanism allowing you to customize the power of each shot. Whether you're shooting in the backyard or honing your skills at the range, you can adjust the pump for up to 10 pumps, reaching velocities of 460 feet per second. The .22 caliber pellet provides accuracy and a satisfying shooting experience. Ideal for enthusiasts looking to improve their marksmanship, this model does require a bit of practice to master the pumping action, which can be a challenge for some users. Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3.177 caliber BB gun air pistol. The Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3 is perfect for fans of the iconic Glock design looking for an authentic shooting experience. This air pistol is designed to replicate the feel and handling of the real Glock, making it suitable for training or casual plinking. It fires .177 caliber BBs at up to 350 feet per second and comes with a 15-round magazine, providing a realistic shooting experience. Its blowback feature adds to the authenticity while making it more enjoyable to shoot. However, as a BB gun, it may not be ideal for those seeking higher precision in their shooting practice. Gamo P430 Dual Ammo CO2 Air Pistol. The Gamo P430 stands out with its unique dual ammo feature, allowing users to fire both pellets and BBs. This CO2-powered air pistol offers a smooth and reliable shooting experience with a velocity of up to 400 feet per second. Perfect for shooters who want versatility without sacrificing performance, it's excellent for both target practice and small game hunting. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable for prolonged use. However, the dual action capability might require some adjustment for users who are accustomed to using one type of projectile exclusively. Walther P22 26mm BB pistol airsoft gun. Topping our list is the Walther P22 6mm BB pistol, a standout choice for airsoft enthusiasts and those looking for a high-quality air pistol. This model features a full metal slide and offers a remarkable level of realism, making it feel just like the real thing. The blowback action simulates the recoil of a traditional firearm, adding to the immersive experience. With a velocity of up to 400 feet per second, it delivers accuracy and reliability for competitive shooting or casual games. Its only drawback may be the slightly higher price point, but for the quality and experience it provides, it's a worthy investment for serious shooters. Now that you've seen our top picks for the best air pistols of 2026, it's time for you to find the perfect match for your shooting needs. Whether you're a beginner looking for something simple or an experienced shooter seeking top performance, don't forget to check out the links in the description to discover the best deals. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and comparisons. Your next shooting adventure awaits.